Hi everyone, I am Pooja Singh of Computer Science Department of KIT University. I have been recently placed in Deloitte. It's a consultancy firm, US-based consulting firm. The eligibility criteria to make through this recruitment process of Deloitte is very simple. You need to have 60% career and you need to have 6 CGPA throughout your semesters. The process, it consists of 3-step process. First is a written round, second is it's called case study, and the third one is your interview. An interview consists of both. It's technical and HR. In written round, basically questions from 3 sections are asked. Those 3 sections include aptitude, English and logical reasoning. A time limit is allotted for each section, that is 25 minutes for 20 questions. And once you answer one question, then only the second question will pop up. Now this written round is followed by a case study round, which take place in two rounds, right? First is a topic is given to you, or a set of questions are being given to you. You need to discuss the questions, you need to answer the question, make an argument, and after all these things, now you are being taken to another panel for the presentation round, right? And after you make the presentation, the judges will ask you questions, and then you get selected for the next round. The PI round was a combined PI of technical and HR round. They asked me questions about, the first question which was asked to me was, why Deloitte? So my answer to that question was, I told them about this working culture and the belief of Deloitte, like it believes in inclusion. So I pointed out this topic and try to include what does this inclusion mean. The next question which was asked to me was, why should I select you? So my answer was, as my CV clearly represents that I am very much included in all extracurricular activities, and the thing which they seek for in a candidate was whether you are involved or whether you are capable of managing a group or not. So it was there in my CV, like I have participated in many other activities which included these stuffs. The next question which was asked to me was a technical stuff, was to write an algorithm for hostel room allotment. So because before this question I have told them about my project, which was related to this stuff. So they asked me this question. So I calculated it in a way, like for allotting a room to a hostelite, you just need what are the stuffs you need. You need a number of rooms in a hostel, in what way you need to arrange the people in the hostel, what should be the criteria, what should be the sequence. So they were pretty much impressed with my answer. And the next question which they put me was, do you have to ask something, do you have any question for us? So a question which was asked in the presentation was, why is this green dot after Deloitte? So I asked them the same question. So they explained me, and I was satisfied with their answer. And they again asked me if I have some more questions for them. So I asked that since I'm a girl and I belong to a place where security matters the most. So I asked them, is there any space, is there any scope in Deloitte where security for girls is given a priority? So they convinced me pretty well, and yes, that was all. Suggestion for the juniors is that apart from your academic session, get yourself involved in other extracurricular activities, because that is the thing which improves your personality. And in in half an hour interview, which was my time, you can only put your personality over there. You can impress the person, you can impress the interviewer with your personality along with your academic session. So it's very important that you work on your personality, you work on extracurricular activities. Be confident. Trust yourself, do not try to fake it out, be what you are and portray your